Hey, we're back here in the shop at Hemmings doing a little detail work on our Mustang project. If you haven't seen the Fox Rehab series, it's all up on our Hemmings YouTube channel right now, 6 episodes, check that out. We're back here, it's a couple months later, we've driven the car a little bit, so now it's time to go back over it, check some fasteners, make sure everything is still tight, check torque specs on some stuff. And in doing that, we are being reminded of how much we appreciate having our Summit tools. Some of you guys have been asking where this big toolbox came from that we didn't have not so long ago. Last year, Summit stepped up and sponsored us with a full hand tool outfit. It's changed the game in here. It's helping us get a lot more done. We don't have to bring our own tools in like we were doing for a long time. And today we're being reminded about some of the specialty stuff we got from Summit that is really making stuff easier to get done, like these flexi sockets. This is something that a lot of us have never had. I've had universal joints. That's kind of a standard toolbox item. I hadn't had a set of these flexi ones myself before. Junior has had these. Of course, he's been working on stuff forever. These work a little more like a CV joint rather than a universal joint, and these are also impact friendly, so you can really put some torque to these things, put your impact gun on them and hit them hard if you need to without fear of breaking them. These are made by Titan. The set came with a 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and a 1/4 inch. We're going to be making good use of these later to check the bell housing bolts on the AOD transmission. Of course, you guys know, usually with automatics, you got to get way up in there. We're going to use a long extension. It's nice when you can get in and have the flexibility that this affords and not flop around like universal joints often do. Also, when you're taking stuff apart, you can put an impact gun on these and lean on them a little bit without fear of breaking them. Go to the Summit site if you're looking for tools. I was surprised at how much stuff is there. Also a wide variety of brands and a wide variety of pricing. So check that out and go back to the Hemmings YouTube channel to see what we did on our Fox Mustang project.